Hi guys!
Welcome to our vlog.
Ako si Minami.
I'm Fred and we are
Frenami! Yay! Yeah!
So guys, this is our first time again to upload in our TikTok video. So guys, this is our first time again to upload YouTube video. Are you ready?
Baby.
So for today's video, we will answer yung mga frequently asked question from our TikTok live and then sa mga TikTok videos na ina-upload namin sa paulit-ulit siyang tinatanong. That's why we're doing video na to answer yung mga frequently asked question clearly. So yung mga question na to, hindi siya ganun katulad ng mga tinatanong sa amin, yung mismong exact text, but we're expanding and then paraphrasing the questions for you to understand kung ano yung history ng love story namin. Ma-deliver namin ng maayos at malaman ninyo kung saan kami nagmula. So, yun lang po. This content is about how I met my Japanese wife.
Yes!
So, ano?
First question. What? First question. How many years ago did we first meet?
How
It's easy, Dayo.
how the Carabao? We first met 3 years ago. 3 years since 2023.
Oh, 3 years ago.
And then, our story started.
Next question.
question.
Why you copy me?
Copy Shinai din. Mana Shinai.
Everything?
Mana Shinai.
Stop.
Okay.
When? How and where did we meet for the first time?
As I still remember, we first met in Grand Hyatt and you conduct interview to me. Bisyo? That time, my heart was... Diyan.
Next question.
Hi.
How did you find that my company?
How did I find that company?
My company.
Okay. During that time, I'm looking for work in Facebook group. One time, I visit Go Bilingual Facebook group and then I find Facebook posts of, I think it's your HR before. And then, I message, how can I apply? And then, she replied, sa kokara, watashi no resume. Okarimashita. Tuyo ko today.
Like pogi-pogi resume.
What? So, and then,
Next question. What were our first impression of each other?
my first impression, since it's interview, like,
Talaga?
it's my first...
Honest! Honest answer.
my first impression during that interview is, Majime, like serious type of person because you're wearing suit. And then it's my first time to be interviewed sa mamahalin na place dun sa Grand Hyatt, and then I see na serious type of person yung
Maganda person.
Chatumat. Okay, serious type of person, and then yun nga, nagulat ako the first time I met you. I will be interviewed by young pure Japanese because it's my first time to meet pure Japanese na babae. Yes, merang Japanese doon sa previous work ko, but it's half Filipino, half Japanese, unlike you na 100% Yako pasento ni Honjin. Pure Japanese. So
Pure maganda Japanese.
yes, and then yun, maganda, tall, matangkad, maganda, mahaba buhok, as in Atsukoshi. First time ko lang ma-interview that time ng talagang maganda na Japanese. So yun.
Ooh, and you fall in love me?
No, not yet. How about you?
Ako?
Pogi.
Oy. Like shy and quiet person. You're like sitting this and then like that. Like, yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. But I don't know why. I feel like you are not liar person. Like honest person.
Ito na ni.
Product. Next question.
Next question.
What did we think of each other when we were just co-worker? ako boss, diba? And you sales associate.
Okay, just to clarify, since you're bringing out my position, at that time, nung pumasok ako sa company, I was applying Japanese-speaking sales associate. But then, I was transition from sales to admin because the company needs admin staff na mag-document ng mga pa-process ng documentation. So, yun. May approval mo naman, di ba? You approve. You approve.
違う。
You didn't.
セールスアソシエイで私たちはあなたにセールスプラス、なんかドキュメンテーションやってほしかったのにあなたがセールスしたくないって言ったんじゃん。セールスしたくないって言ったんだよ。
そう
だからアドミンにしたんだよ、こっちが。あなた、嘘言わないで。
言わないよ。
で
What's the question? Lumalayo tayo sa tanong. Nakalimutan ka na. Okay, what's the question again?
Did we see each other no, sorry. So, それね、iPad.
ちょっと待って。おやりになる。面白いから。
いつもオイリーじゃん。
When we were workmate before, I saw you as
ano ka?
Kibishi, and then
Maganda.
Majime, and then maganda is already given. You're already pretty and beautiful. And
Ba't mga maganda?
no.
Oh no!
And then hardworking. I saw her as hardworking person. Siguro natural na yun sa pagiging Japanese. Natural na sa kanila yung pagiging hardworking. During that time, she always sleep late. As I see, because I always go to work early, and then pagdating ko sa work, parang kagigising niya pa lang, and then she kami no retiro, it's still wet, and then you keep me waited like wait, and then yun she's always sleepy because starting company that time, and then still there's a lot of research needs to do. That's why she's sleep late. I know. Even we're workmate, I noticed that she's hardworking person. That's why I take care of her when she's BOP. When she gets netsu, she got sick during that time.
Always maganda.
But always maganda, yes.
私は、でもさ、インタビューと一緒だよ。
頭いいじゃない？
頭いいじゃない。シャイですごい quiet person だった。And then also これ困ったこと。あなたは日本語あんまり喋れない。タガログ語私わからない。イングリッシュで私に話しかけてこない。だからちょっと困ってたかな。一番問題な人だった。Next question.
Okay.
Did we see each other romantically at first?
全くno.
可能性は
ないです。
本当にない？
ないです。嫌だよ。前、I hate you.
You hate me!
Because she's, di ba, she's the, part of the management of that time.
And then you hate me?
Like, no, I don't.
shouldn't hire you.
I didn't see myself romantically with my boss that time. And then, yun nga, a little bit hate because she always making me rush for the task that she given to me. Like, I hate being rush, lalo na kapag ang dami mong task na binato sa akin tapos gusto mo gawin ko agad, i-submit ko agad. So, ayun. That's why I didn't see we will work romantically. No. Matako no. After work, I will go home. So
that's why you go home exact 6 p.m.
So this. Ano to?
No. Of course no. Of course no. You have good background experience and then you can speak a little bit Japanese and then you're an honest person. Just I feel that's why I hired you. So, not romantically. No.
Even nang ijimerarero like by the staff. Honto.
それ多分 next time 話せる。それ多分 next time 話せるでしょ。
So guys, on our next video, we're excited to share you yung love story namin. So from being workmate to couple, ano yung naging journey ng relationship namin. Sana subaybayan ninyo yung namin, story namin dito sa TikTok. Sa YouTube. Dito na nag-end tong first part ng video namin. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat sa continuous na nagsusupport sa amin. Naway huwag kayong magsawa sa mga videos namin. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. See you on our next vlog.
Bye-bye! Love you! Love you?
Love you. Limited no video. Bye-bye. See you on our next vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!